Now our correspondent Joanne got to sit down with Top Chef and Iron Chef Gail Simmons.
Hi, Marc and Mandy. I'm joined by trained culinary expert, food writer, and dynamic television personality, Gail Simmons. Gail, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. Hi, Marc and Mandy.
So how did you become the host of Iron Chef?
I've been working in food television for a long time. I live in New York, and I've been on Top Chef out of the States for 16 seasons. And when Iron Chef Canada was being created, they came to me and asked if I would do the host role. And this was sort of a dream role. I was really proud to step into those shoes.
You're a very busy mom. So what advice do you have for all the busy moms out there that are trying to juggle a career and their family?
Well, the first thing is something that we were talking about before the camera turned on, which is you can't aim for perfection. Give up on perfection. It doesn't exist. It's not fair. You can't compare yourself. You can't judge other people, and you can't judge yourself against unrealistic expectations as a mom because they're everywhere. And I think letting myself be okay with the fact that I'm not going to be able to do everything for everyone all the time. I just need to make sure that my kids get what they need, and that's my priority. So some days that means I'm not going to also get to the gym and also cook dinner and also have the most productive day at work. If you get one or two of those things done, that's a pretty great day. And, I just think that being with my children and spending quality time with them is always a hard balance because I'm working as well. And so it's about finding time for yourself too, being a little bit kind to yourself, and that's okay. Sometimes you feel like you put yourself last, and then you're never good to anyone because you're overtired and stressed out. So I try to remember that. It's not always easy.
That's a fabulous answer, actually, too. And I want to take that to her because
you should.
I need it.
You need to. We all do.
Thank you so much for your time today. I really appreciate it.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.